So the first step is start the installer that we've downloaded from Empower. Click on Advanced Options. Then click on the Images tab, as you can see highlighted on my screen. Click on the Images tab. Then click the radio button or the checkbox that says Installation Image, and then also Create Image. So what we're doing is we are going into the advanced options, telling the installer we want to create an image, and then find the location for your downloaded image. In my case, I like to locate all my Software AG installation images on the C drive under SAG images. You can do whatever you find most convenient, but in my case I like to have all my installation images and installers in one place, and then give it a logical name that you will remember, that you know what this is. I also like to suffix my installation images with .zip so that I know it's an installation image. Another best practice is you can put the version numbers in there and what the platform is. And in this case we are installing to a Microsoft Windows platform, but there are other platforms that you could use. As you can see there, there's Linux, there's AIX currently, and HP. So select the appropriate platform for your particular system. Then you'll be prompted for a sign in into Empower. On every account there are a few people that are authorized to download software. Typically it will be an admin, a DBA, some of those folks. So usually it'll be one of those team members that has the ability to download and create images.